Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prompt Midjourney with an image. So in order to do this, first of all, make sure you have Midjourney installed on your Discord application. Now navigate to Discord and go to the Midjourney bot section. So this is Midjourney bot. Here you can prompt Midjourney to generate any image. So in order to upload an image, first of all, open that image on your PC's directory. Now, after opening that image, left click it and drag it on your Discord application. And when you'll put that image in Midjourney's bot, it will show an option to upload to Midjourney bot. Simply leave it here and that image will be uploaded on Midjourney bot. Now you'll have to hit enter and that image will be uploaded on Discord. As you can see, it's just right here. Now right click on this image, click on copy link. Now go to the message chat bar section, type in /prompt. Now click on imagine prompt and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. And this is going to paste this image link that we copied earlier. Now type in a space and write the command that you want to put in with this image. Now after you type in your command, hit enter and you would have successfully prompted Midjourney with an image. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.